Here are the top momentum stocks, ready to outperform the market on October 15, 2025. On Tuesday afternoon, President Trump accused China of deliberately halting soybean purchases, which he said harmed U.S. farmers. The president stated the U.S. is considering terminating trade with China involving cooking oil. This announcement caused soybean-related stocks to surge.
Australian Oilseeds, Nasdaq, symbol COOT. Australian Oilseeds Holdings specializes in the production and sale of non-GMO oilseeds and food-grade oils. Origin Agritech, Nasdaq symbol SED. Origin Agritech is an agricultural biotechnology holding company focused on crop seed breeding, genetic improvement, and seed production. Pinnacle Food Group, Nasdaq symbol PFAI. Pinnacle Food Group provides hydroponic growing systems, environmental consulting, and farming as a service subscriptions. RKDA biotechnology, Nasdaq symbol RKDA. RKDA biotechnology produces and markets plant-based health and wellness products, including Zola coconut water and non-GMO specialty wheat traits. CBUS, Nasdaq symbol CBUS. CBUS is an agricultural technology company specializing in gene editing to develop high-performance plant traits for food crops. Davis Commodities, Nasdaq symbol DTCK. Davis Commodities Limited is a global agricultural trading company specializing in sugar, rice, and oil and fat products. SDOT Group Inc. Nasdaq symbol SDOT. SDOT Group operates in agri-commodity origination, trading, and farm operations. The company focuses on sustainable solutions to address food security challenges in soybean meal, wheat, and corn. Nasdaq symbol VERI. Veritone announced new contracts and strong preliminary Q3 results. The AI firm expects Q3 revenue of $29 million USD, up 31% year over year, and above analysts' estimate. GNPX Inc. Nasdaq symbol GNPX. Announced positive preclinical data on its lead drug candidate, record soft gene therapy. The findings will be showcased in a poster session on October 25, 2025. Homeschool stocks, like, share, subscribe.